Welcome to my channel Crochet Skills. In today's video I will show you how to crochet a beautiful stitch, that is larkspur track stitch. It's very easy. So let's start. Make a slip knot and chain multiple of 6. You can make the size as your own desired length, plus chain 3. Chain 3 would be counted as the first double crochet. Into this chain 4th I will work a double crochet, and in the next 4 stitches I will work 1 double crochet in each stitch. 1 2, third into the next stitch, 4th double crochet into the next, so I will work the chain 1. From the beginning I have 6 double crochets and a chain 1. Skip the next stitch, work 5 double crochets in each of the next 5 stitches. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe Crochet Skills. Don't forget to click the bell. Please like and share my videos. For any query you can ask me questions in comment section. I will address all your problems and try to solve them. If you want to learn anything, you can comment below. Okay, after working 5 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1 stitch and work 1 double crochet in the last 6 stitches. As you can see, I have last 6 stitches left, so 6 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, 5 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1 and 6 double crochets in the end. Start row 2 by chain 1, go into the first stitch, work a single crochet. Round 2 and 3 would be again and again repeated. Okay, make single crochets on the top of every stitch. That from the beginning I have 6 single crochets. This is the 6th one. Chain 1, go into the next stitch, work a single crochet. So here I will work 6 single crochets, chain 1, 5 single crochets, chain 1 and then 6 single crochets in this whole row. Make sure that your counting is accurate. Chain 3 to begin the next round. This is the most important round. Just pay attention. Yarn over, go into the first stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2. Just hold on. Yarn over twice for a treble stitch. Go to the previous round, the double crochet round, just into this central stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2 loops, pull it through 2 loops. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull it through all the loops together. Find the stitch behind this treble, work a double crochet, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch. As you can see, I have 1 stitch left. So what I am going to do is, I will yarn over twice for a treble crochet, go into the same stitch and work a front post treble crochet, over loop, pull it through 2, pull it through 2, hold on these 2 loops on the hook, yarn over again, go into this last single crochet stitch, pull it through 2. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull it through all the loops together. This is the first stitch completed. Chain 1 for this gap. Again yarn over, go into the first stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2, hold on, yarn over twice, go into this central stitch, work a front post treble crochet, pull through 2, pull through 2. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull it through all the loops once. Yarn over, go back and find your stitch, work 1 double crochet in next 3 stitches, 1 more in the next, 1 into the next one, 3 double crochets are completed. Now again yarn over twice for the front post treble crochet, go into the same stitch of the previous row and work a front post treble crochet, pull it through 2 loops, pull it through 2 loops. You have 3 loops, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, go into the last stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2. You have 3 loops, pull it through all the loops together. Chain 1, go into the first stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2. Hold on, yarn over twice, go into this third one, work front post treble, pull it through 2, pull it through 2. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull it through all the loops together. Go back side of this stitch, work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, yarn over twice, go into this treble stitch, work a treble crochet, front post, pull it through 2, pull it through 2. You have 3 loops on the hook, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull it through all the loops together, work 1 double crochet at the end. Just make sure that you need to count your stitches every time. You have 18 stitches every time, whether it is single crochets or these fancy stitches. Chain 1, turn, work 1 single crochet on the top of every stitch, and the chain 1 space, work a chain 1 space. You will not work a single crochet in chain 1 space. You will only work chain 1 as a chain 1 and single crochet on the top of every double crochet of the previous row. Okay, my row is completed. To begin the next row, I will repeat this again. Yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2. Yarn over twice and go here. As you can see, in between these trebles you have worked 3 double crochets. In between these both front post treble crochets you have 3 double crochets of the previous row. You will just insert the hook into the central one and work a treble crochet. Pull it through 2, pull it through 2. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull it through all the loops together. Go back into the single crochet round and work 3 double crochets in next 3 stitches. Okay, as previous row I have 1 stitch left, so I will work yarn over twice, go into the same double crochet and work a front post treble crochet, yarn over twice and work 2 times. I have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, go into this very last stitch, pull it through 2 loops and just pull it through all the loops together. Chain 1 for the chain 1 space, jump into the next, yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2, hold on, yarn over twice, go into the central double crochet of the previous row, just work a front post treble crochet, pull it through 2 loops, pull it through 2 loops. You have 3 loops on the hook, pull it through all the loops together, and then go back of this stitch, work 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches, 1 into the next one and 1 into the next. Again yarn over twice, go into the same central stitch, work a front post treble, hold on, yarn over, go into this last stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2 loops, pull it through all the 3 loops. Chain 1 for the chain 1 space. So this is how it will look. I will complete it and then I will show you how to do the next row. You will continuously repeat row 2 and 3 again and again. Okay, as you can see, after working like this, I will work 3 double crochets in the next 3 single crochets. One, 2 and 3, and then the last stitch would be again yarn over twice, go into the same front post treble crochet, do a front post treble crochet, half done. You have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, go into this last stitch, pull up a loop, pull it through 2, pull it through all the loops together, 1 double crochet in the last stitch, chain 1, turn, work 1 single crochet into every stitch. This is the single crochet row. Work chain 1 spaces as it is. So this is how I will repeat some rows. After working 1 row of single crochet, I will work this fancy stitch. Okay, as you can see, my 5 rows of simple single crochets and 5 rows of these fancy stitches are completed. So this is how it will look, and the pattern is very beautiful. Its texture is very good. I hope you will like my video. Please don't forget to like and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel Crochet Skills. Thank you for watching. Thank you.